I am a filmmaker, and there's something about the way fish hits a hot pan. That first sizzle is like the opening shot of a film. Light reflects off the glaze of teriyaki salmon. The steam lifts like a cue to roll the camera. It sets the mood for everything that follows. Every dish carries a story. Teriyaki salmon is no exception. We begin in Hokkaido, Japan's northern frontier. Cold seas shape everything here, even the way people cook. When winter locks the land in ice, salmon becomes the quiet pulse that keeps the kitchen alive. Long before supermarkets, people smoked, dried, or fermented it, not to make it beautiful, but to let its fat and flavor outlast the cold. The glossy teriyaki glaze came later. That's when survival turned into pleasure. And here's a detail many overlook. Teri means shine, yaki means grill. Teriyaki isn't a sauce, it's a technique. And now, the backbone of teriyaki. Sake, soy sauce, mirin, sugar. Stir until the sugar disappears. Undissolved crystals will burn before they caramelize. Meanwhile, the star steps onto the stage. Thick slices of salmon, salted, peppered, no extravagant seasoning here. White cuts mean even cooking and bold texture, not fragile strips that disappear in the heat. Soon after, a light coat of flour. Not a crust, just a whisper. Dust off the excess. It's there to trap the sauce later, not steal the spotlight. At this moment, fat hits steel. Butter and oil sing their duet. Skin side down first, and yes, press it gently. That quick pressure makes sure every millimeter of skin connects with the heat. Crispness is no accident. Never move it too soon. Salmon skin releases when it's ready. While the salmon finds its color, a bright counterpoint joins in. Broccoli. And now the turn. Even browning, controlled heat. This is where patience pays dividends. A rushed flip would tear the skin, and no one forgives that. Finally, the sauce returns. Poured slowly, it hisses as it meets the heat, clings like a perfect fitting glove. Spoon after spoon, the glaze thickens. Each pass over the salmon builds a mirror shiny coat. When bubbles slow and deepen in tone, the glaze is ready, not before. I'm a filmmaker. I've spent many times waiting in the rain for a deer to step into the frame. Cooking isn't that different. You wait for the precise second when the sauce tells you, now. Teriyaki salmon is not a loud dish. It's elegance in motion. If stories like this belong on your table, follow me for the next chapter.